Okay, so here we are at a loss. We had a generator and desiccant dehumidifier set up. One of the first days we had a diesel fuel oil spill, and we're just now finishing the job, and we got to get this stain out. Customer wants to make sure it was in pre-loss condition. So what we did the first night is we put down kitty litter. It's one of the most effective things you can get, plus it's the cheapest. So we put it down to absorb as much of the fuel as possible. Completed the job. As you can see, we've sweeped up the kitty litter now, and we're going to use a product here. It's called PRS Fuel Oil Cleaner. It's environmentally friendly, so you don't have to worry about any problems putting down a sewer drain, like you can see behind me. You basically spray it on, let it sit for a couple minutes, and you're going to spray it off. So we're going to get after that here in a moment, and we'll show you an after soon. Okay, so we're about to apply the fuel remover, the PRS Fuel Oil Cleaner. It's a 3-to-1 ratio, 3 gallons of water to 1 gallon of solution. So here we go. We put it on we took the fine mist off. We're putting a lot heavier application. Okay, here we are. We've got the solution on the pavement. We're going to try to see how it works. See, it's a bad spot right here. So a couple more passes, it looks like it's going to work pretty good.